Hey there, the Art-tastic sisters here. So for today's video, we're gonna be making the darker version of the last week's video. Well, if you haven't watched the last week's video, it will be coming in the end screen at the end of this video. So in that video, we made a painting, and today I'm gonna make the darker version of it. First, the shoebox lid, and then the paper and a balloon. So here I have a hand glove and paint. You'll also be needing some leaves. I'm gonna take hibiscus leaves because I like the pattern. You can take any leaves of your choice. The first step will be to cover the shoebox lid with the paper. So first I'm gonna paint it blue. I've chosen to paint it blue because since I'm making the darker version, I'm gonna make it at the night. I'm gonna be using more than 2 shades of blue to create more of an effect. On the bottom part, I'm going to be painting it green. So now I have a leaf, a hibiscus leaf, and I'm going to paint it green like this. Now I'm going to take this leaf and just press it over here like this and remove it off to get an imprint of a leaf. So I'm going to be doing this all over up to here. Now I have a leaf with a darker shade of green, which I'm gonna do the imprint over here. So now I'll be painting the branches. Now I'm going to take another piece of cardboard or something, pour some white paint into it, after that pour some purple paint and some red paint in the center of it, and then take our balloon and dip it and place it onto our shoebox lid structure. So here we have beautiful flowers, which I'm gonna be doing all around the place. I'm gonna dip it again and do it over it. So here I've drawn a few buds as well. So I'm going to connect them to the plant using small things like these. So again, same over here as well. So yes guys, this is the final artwork. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more easy tricks to paint and to make more other interesting DIYs. And also drop your suggestions down in the comments. There are a few videos on the screen right now which you may like, and I'll also be putting the lighter version of this, that is my last week's video, on the screen now. There's also another shoebox lid DIY which you can check out. And that's it for today. See you next Saturday. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay creative.